Algebra in A-levels P3 consists of four parts: modulus function, remainder factor theorem, partial fraction, and binomial theorem. We'll be going over modulus function in this video. In your A-level exam, modulus function can be tested in two ways. You can be asked to solve equations and inequalities, or you could be asked to sketch a graph. And before we go on to the equations, we need to understand what a modulus is. So modulus is the magnitude of a number without the sign attached. This is the sign of the modulus function, and it can represent either a positive or a negative number. Let's try and solve a couple of equations involving modulus function. Now, in question number 1, we have x minus 2 in the modulus sign is equals to 3. So this can be written as x minus 2 is equals to 3 and negative of x minus 2 is equals to 3. Solving the first equation, we get x is equals to 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. And simplifying and solving this equation, we get x is equals to 2 minus 3, which is equals to minus 1. In this equation, we can take either one of these equations as positive and negative. So let's say we can write this as x minus 2 is equals to 2x minus 1, and x minus 2 is equals to negative of 2x minus 1. Solving the first equation, we get x is equals to minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1. And solving the second equation, we get minus 2x plus 1. So this will become 3x is equals to 3 and x is equals to positive 1. Now, this is one of the ways in which modulus function can be solved. Another way is using the quadratic method. Now, a modulus function x, which is equals to a modulus function a, can also be written in the form x squared is equals to a squared. And if it is an inequality, it can be written in the same way. So let's say we have an equation x minus 2 is equals to 2x minus 1, and both of them are in the modulus function. We can write this equation as x minus 2 whole squared is equals to 2x minus 1 whole squared. Expanding and simplifying, we get x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Simplifying the equation, we get 3x squared minus 4x and minus 4x cancels out. 3x, so this will become 3x squared plus 5 is equals to 0. So this is basically x squared minus 4x plus 4, which will make the equation 3x squared minus 3 is equals to 0. Taking 3 common, we get 3 bracket x squared minus 1 is equals to 0. Factorizing x squared minus 1, we get x minus 1 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. So the two values of x are x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 1. In this equation, again, we'll whole square both the sides. So we'll get 3 into x minus 1 whole squared less than 2x plus 1 whole squared. So we get 9 into bracket x square minus 2x plus 1, which is less than 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Expanding this, we get 9x squared minus 18x plus 9, which is less than 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Simplifying this, we get 5x squared minus 22x plus 9 minus 1 will become minus 8 plus 8 less than 0. Factorizing this, we get 5x squared minus 20x minus 2x plus 8, which is less than 0. Taking 5x common, we get x minus 4, and taking 2 common from over here, we get x minus 4 is less than 0. So the factorized form is 5x minus 2 and x minus 4 is less than 0. Now to give the correct inequality sign, it is better to make a graph. So this value is 4 and this value is 2 upon 5. As the value is less than 0, so our inequality will be x is less than 4 and x is greater than 2 upon 5.